How's it going, everyone? Happy Family Day long weekend. It is the Monday. Sabrina has left this morning for Australia. She is on her way. She's gone for 3 months. We haven't posted anything in a while, so I just thought I'd give you guys a little channel update and what's the plans are for 2023. Like I just said, Sabrina is in Australia for 3 months. Going to see some family and doing some adventuring, so hopefully she'll get some filming done and we'll get that to you when she gets back. While she is gone, um, as some of you know, I've hurt my shoulder. Some of you, a lot of you don't know, I fractured my ribs. I'm supposed to be leaving May 6th for a 30-day solo trip in Algonquin Park. This is going to be my first solo canoe trip ever, and it's going to be the first time I've been in Algonquin Park in 40 years. So until May, I'll be dehydrating food and working on my shoulder and trying not to do too much with my ribs. I do these day hikes every day with about 10 to 15 pounds on my back. Every second day I try to get it up to about 30. They usually don't last as long. So with Sabrina being gone for 3 months and her coming back at the end of May, we had some serious discussion. I know we had talked about doing the Turgeon River and the Harricana River in Quebec. That would have been about a 40-day trip. With the skill level and the preparation that would have gone into that, with her being in Australia for these 3 months, it's just not feasible for us to do this year, unfortunately. We could plan it for the end of the year, but we don't want to be in with low water. We'd rather do it at the beginning of the year when the water's high. So when she gets back, we're going to take a couple of weeks and relax. And then we're going to do, I believe it's a 20-day in Killarney. Neither of us have been to Killarney. And then after that, we're just going to hit some Crown land. I don't know how far north we're going to wind up going, but that's the plan, is to do Crown land for the rest of the year. We do have some plans to meet up with Super Good Camping, but you guys will hear about that later on when everything's been solidified. So if you guys are looking to do a trip in Algonquin Park that's longer than 5 days, I'm going to suggest a couple of places where you can do some really good homework. Number one is Single Mountain Maps. Their videos, they've done so many trips in Algonquin and they're so detailed, they talk about absolutely everything. Another one that is absolutely phenomenal is Canoe the North. They've got some not only beautiful footage, but they've got some really good detailed map, like routes of Algonquin. The third one is The Happy Camper, Kevin Callan. Check those three out. I'll put all their links down below in the description so you guys can check them out. Yeah, so that's all. I just wanted to catch you guys up on what was going on. I'm just out on a little day hike here. Wanted to give you an update because we haven't done anything in a while. I've had to take it easy because of my shoulder. And Sabrina's been getting ready to go to Australia for 3 months. So yeah, to everyone who's been commenting and all that other stuff, thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for your support. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe. And hopefully you guys like what you see. Anyways, that's about it. I'm going to relax for a little bit longer. Maybe go about another 2 or 3 kilometers and then head home. And wallow that my wife is gone. No, I'm excited for her. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. And enjoy the rest of your holiday Monday. Get outside.